Good morning students. In this video we will discuss multiple choice question related to the chapter third, that is consumer equilibrium, and we can see cardinal measurement of utility. Okay, so first question is, in which analysis can utility be measured in definite number such as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, so in which analysis utility is measured in numbers? We have talked about two analysis or two approach, cardinal approach and ordinal approach. Okay, so in cardinal approach given by Marshall, classical economist, the utility can be measured according to Marshall in numbers. So cardinal utility analysis can be measured in definite numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first is the right answer. Then second question, ordinal concept of utility express utility in term of, so ordinal concept of utility express, जो ऑर्डिनल कॉन्सेप्ट है वो यूटिलिटी को किस टर्म में एक्सप्रेस करता है? यूनिट्स, लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन, constant and none of these. Okay, so in cardinal we talk about the units, that utility can be measured in utils. Okay, that how much utility, like we are getting from the first unit of cup of tea, a cup of tea, we can say glass of milk. Okay, so we can measure according to cardinal approach in number, but in ordinal approach we can give only rank. So constant, in ordinal utility, concept of utility, constant, in constant term utility is expressed. So in ordinal concept of utility, level of satisfaction, okay, level of satisfaction is used to express utility. So the answer is option B. Next question, want satisfying power of a commodity is called, we have discussed in the videos, want satisfying power of a good is called utility. Okay, so our answer is utility. Consumption means when people, or we can say consumer, consume goods and services, then that is consumption. Production means process of producing goods and services, that is production. वैल्यू एडिशन, एडिशनल कुछ भी गुड को ऐड करना, दैट इज वैल्यू एडिशन. सो वांट सेटिस्फाइंग पावर ऑफ ए कमोडिटी इज कॉल्ड यूटिलिटी. देन द नेक्स्ट वी हैव फॉर्मूला फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग, और वी कैन से कैलकुलेशन ऑफ मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी इज, yes, we have discussed many times formula for calculation of marginal utility. So what is the right answer? Tell me. First option is MUN equal to TUN minus TUN plus 1. Then MUN equal to TUN plus 1 minus TUN minus 1. कि जो हमारे प्रीवियस यूनिट है उसमें से हम, और जो नेक्स्ट यूनिट है उसमें से यहाँ पे प्रीवियस यूनिट को माइनस किया गया है. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग फॉर्मूला. एंड फर्स्ट वन TUN, nth यूनिट है उसमें से एडिशन को किया गया, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग फॉर्मूला. सो राइट फॉर्मूला टू कैलकुलेट मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी इज MUN इक्वल टू TUN माइनस TUN माइनस 1. सो C इज द राइट आंसर. Next question, when only one unit of the commodity is consumed, then MU equal to TU, MU is greater than TU, MU is less than TU, none of these. So only when one commodity, one unit of the commodity is consumed, then obviously TU and TU equal to MU, or we can say MU and TU will be equal. Why? Because TU is the only MU. Okay, हमारी जो TU है वही हमारी MU रहेगी. Because when consumer consume only one unit of commodity, then there is no addition commodity, so TU will be MU only. Okay. Then which of the following equation is incorrect? First is mu equal to tun plus 2 minus tun plus 1. Then mu equal to tu upon q. Then mu upon tun minus 1. So this is the right formula. And tu is equal to summation of mu. So this is also right formula. So mu equal to tu upon q. It means this equation tell us about the average utility. Okay. So this is the incorrect equation. Then the next question is, if the consumer consume only one commodity X, he will be in equilibrium when, अगर कंज्यूमर एक ही कमोडिटी को कंज्यूम कर रहा है, सो व्हाट विल बी द कंडीशन ऑफ कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम. सो वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम इन केस ऑफ वन कमोडिटी एंड इन केस ऑफ टू कमोडिटी, मीन्स मोर देन वन. So in case of one commodity, we have talked about the condition that consumer is in equilibrium when marginal utility from the commodity X is equal to price of commodity X. Okay. So this is about this equation, option B. Okay. MUX means here marginal utility of X is equal to price of X. In this equation, MUX is less than PX. So the consumer will go to purchase more commodities. Okay. MUX is greater than PX. So the right answer is option B. Here the marginal utility derived from the commodity X is equal to price of the commodity X. Next question, when marginal utility is negative, total utility is, marginal utility is negative. It means total utility is diminishing. We have talked about the diagram. Total utility is like this. Okay, marginal utility is like this. So when marginal utility is negative, it means total utility is diminishing. Okay, so B will be the right option. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that when more and more units of a commodity are consumed, marginal utility begins to increase, begins to decrease, remain constant, become zero. So law of diminishing marginal utility, we have talked that it is a psychological fact. When more and more units of the commodity are consumed, then marginal utility begins to decrease. So C is the right answer. Okay. Next, when total utility is maximum, marginal utility become zero. Okay. In diagram we talk like total utility is like this and marginal utility is like this. So when total utility is maximum, then marginal utility is here zero. Okay. So it is maximum. So maximum total utility means marginal utility is zero. So A is the right answer. Next question is, when TU is increasing at a diminishing rate, means total utility decreasing at a diminishing rate, MU must be decreasing. Okay, सब हमारे TU diminishing rate से increase हो रही है, then MU must be decreasing. Okay, so B is the right option. The next question is, marginal utility of a particular commodity at a point of saturation is, yes, that is zero. At a point of we can say when marginal utility is zero, then the consumer is in point of saturation, means after that point he do not want to consume more units of that commodity. If we go for the more units of consumption, then the marginal utility will become negative. Okay. So marginal utility of a particular commodity at a point of saturation is zero. A is the right answer. The next question, consuming two goods, a consumer attain equilibrium. So what is the condition of consumer equilibrium in case of two commodity? MUX upon PX equal to MUY upon PY. Okay. So here we have given MU1 upon Pn, P1, okay, X or 1 we can give any name, it is greater than mu2 upon P2. So this will not be the right answer. Then mu2 upon P2 is greater than mu1 upon P1. So this is also wrong equation. Here mu1 upon P1 is equal to mu2 upon P2. So this is the right equation. Okay. This is the right equation of consumer equilibrium in case of two commodities. So C is the right answer. Then we have initially MUX upon PX equal to MUY upon PY. With the fall in price of Y, consumption of the commodity, अगर Y का प्राइस फॉल हो जाता है तो जो कंजप्शन है Y कॉमोडिटी का दैट विल इंक्रीज. ऑब्वियसली if demand of another, if the demand or we can say price, if the price of the commodity Y decrease, so obviously that will be demanded more. So if price of Y decrease, fall in the price of Y, the consumption of Y will increase. Okay. Next is a consumer will purchase more of good Y than good X only when marginal utility of commodity X upon PX is greater than mu upon py or mux upon px is less than muy upon py. Okay, so this is the right equation. The consumer will purchase only good X only when mux upon px is less than muy upon py. The next question is, with the increase in consumption by 1 unit of the commodity, TU increase from 150 to 180, then marginal utility is, yes, with the increase in the consumption of the 1 unit of commodity, TU है जो हमारा 150 to 180 हो जाता है. It means marginal utility is 30. How we calculate marginal utility? TUN. So TUN is 180 and minus TU n minus 1. n minus 1 means previous unit का जो TU है वो 150 है. So 180 minus 150 equal to 30. Okay, so 30 is the right answer. Then the consumer is in equilibrium and consuming commodity X only. And marginal utility from the last unit of consumption is 50. MUM is 10. Find out the price. So price हम कैसे find out कर सकते हैं? MU commodity से जो हमें मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी मिली है 50 अपॉन 10, मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ M. So 50 upon 10 equal to 5. So 5 is the price of the commodity. So students, we have discussed some MCQ related to chapter 3rd. Okay, so try to solve all the MCQ from your book. If you face any problem, any doubt, you can contact to me. Okay, thank you.